ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ 30th ਪੌੜੀ। ਜਤ ਪਹਾੜਾ ਤੀਰਜ ਸੁਨਿਆਰ ਅਹਰਨ ਮਤ ਵੇਦ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਪਉ ਖਲਾ ਅਗਨ ਤਪਤਾਉ ਪਾਂਡਾ ਪਉ अमृत तित चाल करिए सब सची टकसाल चिनकौ नदर करम तिनकार नानक नदरी नदर निहाल. So what is Guru Nanak Padsha telling us in this particular pauri? In this particular pauri, emphasis is being laid upon that how to attain spiritual growth. For spiritual growth, we need to practice self-control, we need to practice patience, and we need to have fear of God. And this fear of God, it does not refer to being afraid of a wrathful deity, but it refers to longingness for the divine. So these three qualities are very essential for our spiritual growth. And the metaphor of goldsmith's forge is used here. They are saying in a furnace of self-control. So furnace symbolizes self-control over our thoughts and emotions from running wild. So we need to practice that. And then it is being told that goldsmith, it symbolizes patience in meditation and our spiritual practices to attain that high spiritual state. And then fear of God, and as I have said that fear of God, it does not refer to being afraid of some wrathful deity, but it refers to longingness for God. And this longingness for the divine, it puts in us, it inculcates in us the energy and focus to attain the supreme. We channelize our energy in that direction, and these qualities, they lead to deeper connection with the divine. Then it is told that after this it is being told that all these three they create the inner fire of spiritual awareness. When these three are combined, self-control, patience and longingness for God, they create the inner fire, they stoke the inner fire of spiritual awareness, and inner heat is produced. That inner heat refers to spiritual heat, and that is transformative energy cultivated through deep meditation. So by applying self-control, patience and awe of God, fear of God, longingness for God, one can experience the inner heat and move towards the higher state of consciousness. So Guru Nanak Padsha says that यदि जति रूपी दुकान हो और इसमें धैर्य उसका सुनार हो, और मनुष्य की अपनी मति लोहे के नीचे रखने वाली टेक बने, और उस मति आहरण पर ज्ञान का हथौड़ा चले, और अकाल पुरुष का डर धोंकनी हो, द फियर ऑफ ऑलमाइटी, लॉन्गिंगनेस फॉर ऑलमाइटी, और संघर्षित परिश्रमी जीवन अग्नि हो, प्रेम कुठाली हो, द लव फॉर ऑलमाइटी, वो कुठाली हो, उसमें अकाल पुरुष ईश्वर का अमृत नाम गला वो, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सच्ची टकसाल में गुरु का शब्द सृजन किया जा सकता है. पर वो गुरु नानक पातशाह कहते हैं कि ऐसी उच्च आत्मिक अवस्था तभी बन सकती है यदि हमारा आचरण पवित्र हो, हमें उत्साह हो, हमें धैर्य हो, ऊंची तथा विशाल समझ हो, प्रभु का डर हमारे हृदय में हो, और हमारे अंदर सेवा की भावना हो, प्रभु की सेवा और प्रभु की प्रजा की सेवा और प्यार हो प्रभु परमेश्वर के लिए. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.